I'm going to be eating this, guys. This, like this. I'm going to be eating it. If you're on the street, you have to eat this one. I actually went to the shop to buy some meats, which I'm going to be cooking a nice soup actually. As you can see, yeah, in the evening. And wow, Uma. You can see, guys, it's very nice. Brazilian meat, This is a Brazilian food. If you're on the street, you have to eat this one.
Ele é espeto Teixeira.
Ele é.
Espetos Teixeira.
Oh, okay.
Espetos Teixeira.
All right. Wow, wow. So we're going to be eating this, guys. And this is the menu. As you can see here, Portuguese. And then you can see how clean it is. Very clean, very, very clean. Não fala português, fala English?
No, no.
Francês?
How are you?
I'm fine. They say, yeah. Okay. See? Let me pay you first. Let me pay you first.
10 milhões. 10 milhões de dólares.
Okay.
10 reaisinho.
All right, guys. Oh, okay. All right. So let's see. Okay, I give them 20, and then it's actually 10 reals. So I give them 20, and they pay me back 10.
Farofinha, molinho de alho, pimenta.
So this is to put here and here. So that's good. I don't know which one I'm gonna put there because I don't actually know it. Guys, I don't know it. So I believe I'm going to do this. Okay. Know me? Aline. Alphonse. Alphonse.
Prazer.
Yeah. I'm going to be eating this, guys. This. Like this. I'm going to be eating it.
Quer experimentar?
Ça sent bon, hein?
Oui,
Ça, c'est vraiment bon.
Farofinha, molinho de alho. Tem a bebida também, convidada ali. Estados Unidos tem melhor?
Ça c'est brésilien, hein? Brésilien. From Brazil.
Musiquita ainda, ó.
São Paulo.
Internacional ainda, ó.
Guys, open for me. Guys, now after I finish, I put some water there.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm lying. Through this, see what's behind.
Lo se pay, hein?
No way to prove it.
I'm quanto? What?
3 milhões.
3 milhões. He said 3 million.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? You see it clearer, what do you see?
Obrigada.
You see, I pay for the water. Actually, I pay for 3 real. 3 reals for the water, which is about 12 rand, eh? 12 rand.